When I was a child, I really enjoyed lots of sports, and I was an athlete of track and field club for 10 years, maybe. And I did like figure skating, speed skating, and this kind of sports I really enjoyed. I was diagnosed as autoimmune hepatitis when I was 28 years old. At that time, I felt like I got a cold and shook every day and continuously. Yes, I think that my skin colors in the whole body turned a bit yellow. I'm Miyuki Toide, 35 years old. I'm modality fulfillment leader in APAC, and I'm living in Tokyo. Under the current medical treatment, it's really hard or impossible to be cured completely. So I have to take the steroid every day for the whole of the rest of my life. I accepted my disease, and if I imagine that it's cured completely tomorrow, the way of thinking might be changed again a bit, and maybe I can expand the possibility of doing something, challenging something, going somewhere.
To help people like Miyuki, we provide process development tools and equipment to our customers to reduce the time to market, to give the patient population early access to new therapies.
I didn't know that there is a trial in Europe for my disease. Having a second choice of treatment or any possibility to be cured completely, it would change my life.
When you run clinical trials, time is critical. So you need to get to the time to market as soon as possible to basically get the treatment to the patients. But this is a very long journey. We make sure that the customers can produce and develop the process that finally produces the final drug to the patients.
And because of the people in Uppsala, and because of the people in the whole world in the manufacturing site, and because of the people for planning production, because of the people who work with the customer and selling the products, many people are really saved.